KTN News.
And even as the schools reopen today, this is one of the stories that we are following up on. What's the status in our schools? Stay tuned to KTN News as we follow up on this developing story across the day. Now, the National Disaster Operations Center, NDOC, has refuted claims that the ongoing demolition in riparian areas is targeting informal settlements in Nairobi. According to the Chief Executive Officer, David Samoe, the exercise is being carried out lawfully. The exercise is expected to clear structures along the Nairobi River.
The law here in Kenya applies to all Kenyans. If you are living on a riparian land, we urge you to obey the law, and the law is applicable to everybody equally. And those who have been affected, we ask that they just move voluntarily, and the government is also marking the boundary for the riparian land. And once that has been done, we request that people don't go back. Because if they go back, next time when you have a similar problem, people will be affected again.
We have been here in this area. The homes were demolished last Sunday and over the weekend. So what we are doing now is we registered all of them, all those who needed help, with our registration teams, our community health volunteers, and the sisters from Sister Mary at Mukuru Promotion Center. Today, all these people are going to get mattresses, blankets, chakula, biscuits, and some utensils, as you can see around here. And I'm very, very happy and lucky that we are also joined by Colonel Samoe from the National Disaster Operations Center.
Vihiga Governor Dr.